Hello everyone. In this series, we will learn some of the most fundamental data structures like linked list, stacks, queues, trees, and also sorting algorithms like bubble sort, merge sort, and heap sort. But before we jump in, let's pause for a second and ask, why learn all this? Whenever we start learning something new, the first thing we should ask is why. Why learn data structure and algorithm? Most people say to crack coding interviews, but even in interviews, why is DSA so important? You might think like, hey, I am building web app or API. I rarely use stacks and linked list in my daily work. So what's the point of learning them? Let me explain why DSA matters more than you think. DSA gives you the tool to solve problem efficiently. Even if you are using Python's built-in dictionary, list or set, knowing what's going under the hood makes you a better problem solver and help you optimize your code. Think of DSA like solving a puzzle. You are given a toolbox, stack, queue, and a goal. Like reversing a string, your challenge is to choose the right tool and use it creatively. Let's say a problem is check if a string of bracket is balanced. A stack follows last in first out rule. The last one you put in is the first one come out. A queue follows first in first out, like people standing in line. First come first serve. Now let's solve this problem. Check if a bracket string like this is balanced. A stack is a perfect here. Why? Because each time we see an opening bracket, we put it into the stack. When a closing bracket appears, we will check if it matches the last open one sitting at the top of the stack. This LIFO, last in first out behavior, helps us track nested bracket accurately. But if we use queue instead, it wouldn't work. Queue removes the oldest item first, and that breaks the logic needed to match the pair in order. So here is the point. Stack and queue both are containers, but their behavior makes a huge difference. And this is where DSA sharpens your thinking. It trains your brain to think within constraint. It is like training your brain muscles. In this series, you will also learn sorting algorithms like bubble sort, insertion, and advanced like merge sort, heap sort. So now another question comes up. Why learn so many sorts? We never actually use bubble sort in production. So why learn it? And if we already have advanced techniques, why even bother with bubble sort that has time complexity of big O of n square? The goal is the same, to sort the list. Then why do we learn 5 to 6 different methods? Because it trains your brain to think about one problem in multiple ways. Each algorithm has its own pros and cons. Some are time efficient, others are memory efficient, some are super easy to implement, while others are more scalable for big data. This variety shapes your problem solving mindset. Once you understand why bubble sort is n square, you will appreciate why merge sort is n log n. Basic algorithm makes it easier to learn advanced one. To sum up, DSA is not just about coding interviews or algorithm. It is about training your brain to think logically, efficiently and creatively. I hope this clarity brings you understanding about why DSA is important, and it will help you stay motivated and see DSA from a different, more powerful perspective. Now we know why DSA matters. Let's move forward. In the next video, we will see a linked list. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Let's go step by step on this DSA journey together. Bye.